Hi, it's Owen from Jestic, and today we're going to be using our Vitamix Aerating Container to make a nice gin sour. It's going to save you the effort of doing a dry and a wet shake, and just blend it all up in one, get that nice foam that you want from a sour. We're going to start with 50 ml of our lemon juice. This is going to make 2 cocktails. Then 50 ml of a simple syrup, we've got 1:1 here. 20 ml of our egg white. You could also use aquafaba to make a vegan cocktail. And then we're going to go with 50 ml of our dry London gin. We're going to go 8 to 10 ice cubes. Make sure everything's nice and cold. Pop the lid on and put into our Vitamix quiet one. Close our lid, and then we're just going to go on number 1. As you can see, it's whipping that up really nicely, creating that foam, getting the air into the cocktail. Take our jug out. Pour our cocktail. Garnish with a couple of lemon peels. So if you want to come down and try your own cocktails in the aerating jug, it's great for muddling and also aerating. Please come to one of our test kitchens. We've got one in Paddock Wood and one in Manchester. Give it a go for yourself.